at Castor into the woods, Wandy Lake. It's 11 a.m. right now. It's a little bit hot and a little bit of breeze too. Yellow marks the washroom.
Hey, Lionel bhai.
Let's start. So, how's the temperature? Hot, cold, breezy, non-breezy?
Undies are little right.
Oh, Gavin's undies are wet. Almost 7 p.m. This 3 to 4 minutes to 7, and this is how it looks. Nice clear skies, and those are the mountains over there behind. I mean, sorry, in front. Clear mountains. And for dinner is let's see what's there. Some chicken, rice. Hi guys, back at Castor into the woods, Wandy Lake. It's 11 a.m. right now. It's a little bit hot and a little bit of breeze too. So we just came to this shop to buy some Coke and water. And now we'll head back and start our session, afternoon session. So we got a nice shed to park our bikes. This is Jivan's bike, my bike. I think I forgot his name. His bike, Gavin's bike, and Savya's bike. And this is that manager Sachin, his rickshaw. So we got the same room last time we came because that's a little bigger room.
Some places coming, some places not.
Yeah. So we kept our jackets over here to air out. And this is the room. For 5 of us to sleep. It's a little bit warm inside over here, but on outside it is nice and pleasant. So hopefully in the night it should be nice and cool. That's the toilet over there. Yellow marks the washroom.
अरे लाइन बाय
Start. What's the rum? Fine, fine.
रेस्ट फॉर एन आवर और टू. पीछे जाके देखे कुछ था नहीं, खट्टी वट्टी होता हम लोग सो जाता था 1 घंटा. वो मिला नहीं. मामूला चल स्लो स्लो जाएगा, चला यहाँ से नवंबर में पूना वाला स्ट्रेच में व्हाट विल एक्सपेक्ट.
अगर नवंबर में अपन कन्याकुमारी प्लान करते हैं, बी रेडी फॉर कोल्ड. और तमिलनाडु में रेन
चलेगा. What do you say?
ओके.
we can go to Bangalore, Pondicherry, take the ECR to Kanyakumari. No need to go inside Chennai.
Not forgetting that Rameshwaram. I want to go there.
Rameshwaram we can take that route only, because no need to go into
Bangalore
Chennai.
experience was ultimate. Morning, I think we came to the room at 11:45. कभी सोया कभी 6:15 हो गया ना, मालूम ही नहीं पड़ा. 6:15 मामा भी बहुत got up. बैठ के बात कर आराम से. वी हैड ब्रेकफास्ट 9:15 के आसपास. भी लेफ्ट. ब्रेकफास्ट भी खाया क्या ढूंढने में?
नहीं रास्ते पे खाया ना, वो जगह पे हाईवे
9:15 बजे वहां से 2-2.5 घंटा दिखा रहा था. एंड द रोड एक्चुअली बैड. दैट स्ट्रेच वेयर वी स्टॉप ना. And I never disclose this to anyone. Case हमारा बाइक खराब हो गया. No one. You will not believe my uncle.
I'm listening to it. I'm getting very goosebumps. Full bike empty. Kids have come to play Holi.
Yatil.
This is red color. You got the photo of that? And we are sitting.
I don't know it.
And drinking.
He had made the bike naked. ये टच कर रहा है, फिर उसने हेडलाइट खोला. भाई साहब हेडलाइट को उधर से एक वायर जाता.
Headlights. The bike not started. It's 11:45 now. It's not that hot.
You know, I thought
I expected it to be a little hotter, but it's okay. Since the place is open on all sides, so there's no
ट्रेन में डालो. बोला ट्रेन में 6-8 घंटे.
no breeze coming inside.
And what he has done ना, none of the
There's
characters
Sachin, the manager over here. Very nice guy.
redo it again.
Cooperative.
मतलब he just converted it into car. Or just
I think the temperature should be 27, 28 with the
तो
breeze
जब
coming
आप
in.
चालू करेगा फिर नीचे से कुछ करना पड़ेगा, तो वो पेट्रोल आएगा. मैं बोला यार ये चीज़ आप ये सब नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. ऐसे
So
ऑटोमेटिक.
second drink is on. Savio and
I
I.
took it and went. Nothing happened.
Later evening we might plan to go to see the dam.
थोड़ा फ्यूल लो हो गया ना.
Let's see
हवा
how it
घुस
is.
जाओ. That created a
Okay, so now we are finished with drinks, and now dinner is served. I mean, sorry, lunch is served.
क्या है, चपाती खाएगा ना, चपाती मस्त लग रहा है.
We have chapati, egg curry, chicken sukka, and
रोटी चिकन. एक को भी यही डाल देगा, चलेगा ना?
chalega.
तो ग्रेवी तो ले सकते हैं ना. क्या हो गया उसमें? ले सकते हो. क्या बोलते थे तेजस?
Very enticing offer, but I can't.
नहीं मैं खा भी लेता हूँ बोल रहा हूँ तो.
You took egg, no?
No.
How egg is veg now?
निकाला मैंने वीडियो.
Egg is veg, it goes on the
Egg is veg, yeah. Then
हाँ मैंने
Correct.
किया.
हाँ?
Stop
Egg is veg, it
egg is veg now.
Egg is veg, no, it goes on the
Yeah, then egg is veg. Man, don't go seriously.
ग्रेवी
It goes on the trees, no? That's why.
I mean, my sister-in-law is their sons they have veg.
Last year I was in Bangkok. I saw. I was tired telling them don't put. समझ ही नहीं आ रहा उनको कुछ भी. Finally I ate egg.
वो तो होना ही है. In a place where they don't discriminate between veg and non-veg.
वहाँ पे जाके वैसे भी कैसे है
Cockroach, lizards,
Go on non-veg.
insects. What very insects? They very deep fry them, put salt and sugar and coat them and eat. अपना इधर चखना कैसा होता है वैसा है वही.
What's time now?
हाँ?
Time?
Time. Lunch करें.
Time 1:20.
So it's 1:20 now and we're having a lunch. Then we'll sleep a little while
Good.
and after that we'll go. I don't, are we going to visit the dam?
The dam is visiting us.
liver mama, I think it's liver
The dam is visiting us.
Dam is visiting us.
मम्मी बोला था खाने
Okay, it's time for me to go and pee now.
Take
So I'll
gravy.
put off
Gravy
right
is
now.
not a- Don't have non-veg.
Bon appetit. So how's the temperature over there? Hot, cold, breezy, non-breezy?
देखना अंडीज आर लिटिल राइट
Oh, Gavin's undies are wet.
बाकी सब ठीक. बाकी ऊपर सब ठीक है.
ऊपर खाली नीचे प्रॉब्लम है. ऊपर हवा है.
I think he has kept a shower for us
चपाती मस्त है उसका.
over there, so we can have some shower over there. But none of us have. I think we don't have any extra clothes, no?
We carry in the leaves are there ना.
Gavin, you have to have shower over there naked, huh?
Palm trees are there.
as long as you don't tell me
Palm trees are there. We don't have to have shower naked.
No, I can film it. Then we have to put that.
paneer what little gravy same
Only one piece of paneer. I love paneer.
take nice
I'm missing a mushroom, but
अरे मशरूम should have bought it
yeah.
लेकिन तू बात किससे कर रहा है? तो नेटवर्क तो है नहीं इधर.
Huh?
तो बात किससे कर रहा है?
और रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है
Record, no? So guys, sorry, I have to go and release some liquid outside.
So evening we have Sachin who will join us in the evening.
कसं काय
ठीक है
Jeev is asking.
मॅडम
मशरूम
नमस्कार
हाँ.
चपाती मजा आया मेरे को.
शाम को चपाती बनेगा
Guys, it's 6:45 and we just woke up, Savia and I. Savia is calling you. Okay, let's go. Okay, till then. Don't give my mobile, not serious. So Savia and I are just here, and the rest of the three, I don't know where they're gone. They left us alone, tent alone, and gone somewhere. So let's go to the gate and see where they are. We were supposed to go to the waterfall, but unfortunately could not make it since we just woke up. There is Savio drinking water. You can see the nice clear mountains. Let's go and see where they are. Plants are getting water.
अजून कोयला आहे का दूर टिश्यू
अरे यार दुकान में तो आगे नहीं. छोटा सा दुकान था.
फिर बैग में है
नहीं.
उसको रहने दो मामा बाद में नहीं उसको रहने दो बाद में डॉग को खिला
अच्छा काय का नाम?
नहीं वो पेट खराब हो
किरण देख.
they eat but
So the barbecue has started.
थोड़ा मस्त स्टिक पे लगा दूं क्या एक लगाऊं स्टिक अभी नहीं लगा ना मैं नहीं अभी रखा जस्ट
There's chicken, potato, and paneer. And the drinks. Have you start or later? Just go and get Savio's glass and Bose. Bose by we have to get to from inside. The plug is there only, the plug is outside. There's the blue light. Last time we came, the blue light was there. It's still there. So this is how you enter inside the tent. So the charges on the bag getting kept on top only. Caster into the woods at night.
Happened behind.
I
And
didn't
the
know
lights have gone off and Jeevan has put the disco light on.
he has good influence ना he said sir you stay back I'll handle it बोला you just
So
leave it
today
your
is
bike will
Friday,
reach
so Friday normally lights
you
go
only
off
said
over
want it back I said no पहुंचा दो पैसा वैसा सिंह पैसा छोड़ दो वो जो गया वो गया now you don't need to pay anything to me I'll get it done he called up that guy he said एक घंटे में he got to know गाड़ी गति में खड़ा मतलब गाड़ी है सेफ है गाड़ी कहीं बेचा वेचा नहीं है गाड़ी गति में खड़ा है गोडाउन में 25 दिन से खड़ा है बोलता गति वाला बोलता इसने पैसा ही नहीं दिया
Guys, it's 11:30 and Jeevan, Gavin and Tejas have already had their food. So now it's time for us to go and have our dinner. That's Savi and me.
तू तो तू साला नहीं बोल सकता किसी को साला क्यों बोल लेगा नहीं पॉज कर रहा काम होता तो क्यों नहीं बोल करने का ओए वो अबे ना हम लोग को उसका ना आदत हो गया वरना ऐसा
Pause.
हाउ अरे लॉक विल बी देयर ना
No man.
नहीं इट कम्स ओवर हियर आई थिंक
So Savi, what's going to eat?
Huh?
Eat.
What?
Eat.
Eat?
This is over now. You have to eat now. So we'll go and have our dinner now. Let's see what is there for dinner. We had the barbecue, chicken, paneer, potato was there for barbecue, and for dinner is let's see what's there. Some chicken, rice, and some bindi and dal. So rice, chicken, bindi, and dal. And if you remember last time, this is the kitchen over here, galley. It's quite cool now, right now. Temperature is 25 degrees. The coolness is setting in now.
नेक्स्ट राइड का प्लान चालू है लाइनर का व्लॉगिंग चालू है लाइनर उसका नया गिम्बल के साथ
And that is Jeeves and Wheels.
इजी राइडर्स
And
लाइनर
yeah, thanks.
वेरी गुड प्लेस
And doggies are also full. They had some nice chicken bones.
In cold, huh?
Yeah, it's getting
है
cool now.
ना?
It's getting cool and cool now. Weather's getting awesome.
प्लस पॉइंट है
Huh?
मेरा एक प्लस पॉइंट है कि आई इजीली कैन गो अलोंग विद एनीवन so all मतलब all
So we are like last time.
यहाँ पे
We are the only people over here.
all the
No one else.
डिफरेंट जनरल में आके
Tomorrow they have a booking.
है तो वो लल्ले बट वो बिकॉज यहाँ पे उनके साथ
So now it's 12:30 a.m. At night, and we're just going for a walk to the main gate. Basically, it's like ghost hunting. Yes, we only will do. We won't go further on. Can you see over there something white in color? Oh, that's the gate. That's another. That's also they have a camping over there. That place, no? So you can see around. Pitch black, dark. Quite cold now. I think it should be about 24, 24 degrees. If you all can see anything in white, please comment that we saw something in white. So now it's time to go to sleep. It's past 12:30.
लाइट बंद करो लाइट बंद करो क्या हो गया गोश्त मिला है
अंदर आ रहा है रुको
You
I'll sleep.
Kevin है ना Kevin
Yes, I will sleep in between, man. Huh?
Kevin Nash
No, I'm comfortable now.
Huh?
अरे वो भाई
वो नीचे अच्छा है भाई.
पहले पंखा चालू करो साथियों को पंखा चालू करो अभी ये पंखे का ना हवा ठंडा लग रहा है
हाँ,
नहीं चाहिए ऐसा।
लाइनर इसके बाजू वाला टेंट है ना
हाँ.
उसका वीडियो निकाल क्या मस्त कोजी टेंट है वो
But lots of lizards over there.
हाँ?
Lots of lizards. Lizards.
कपल टेंट है
तो मुझे
Chalo, signing off. Good night, guys.
ऊपर आ रहा है. बॉडी पर आ रहा है.